How to send gold cards on Monopoly Go. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Monopoly Go application. And before anything else, you have to make sure that your Monopoly Go application is up to date. Okay. So once you're here, what you're going to do is simply look for albums, like what I mentioned earlier. And albums is next to build. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and here you can see your stickers and cards. But unfortunately, I have to reach level 15 to unlock this feature. Currently, I am at level 4, so I cannot unlock this. But if you already unlock this feature, then if you tap this one, you can see there the stickers and cards that you can share to your friend. So let's just say, for example, these are the cards that you want to share. Some of the cards here are not available to give or to share. If you tap that sticker, then a notification will pop up. This sticker can't be gifted. But if that card is available, then you can see this option, send to friend. And all you have to do is to simply tap that one to share this card to your friend. And that's how easy it is to send gold cards on Monopoly Go. So I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching this, and I hope to see you in our next video tutorials.